Class 7, Exercise 10, Profit and Loss. Full form of CP is cost price, SP means selling price, G stands for gain, P for profit. Both of them are same thing. L stands for loss. So some formulas are here. Gain, which is equals to SP minus CP. Loss, CP minus SP. Gain percent, gain by CP into 100%. Loss percent, loss by CP into 100%. To find out SP when CP and gain percent or loss percents are given. For that we can use SP is equals to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. SP is equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Same way, to find out CP when SP and gain percent or loss percent are given. CP is equals to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into SP. CP is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into SP. If we know this, we can easily solve chapter 10A, that is exercise 10A. As it is given, cost price is given as 620 and selling price we have got it as rupees 713. Since we can find out SP is greater than CP, so we can write gain is equals to SP minus CP. So both we can separate. When we subtract, we will get it as rupees 93. We have got gain, so gain percent. Gain by CP into 100. In place of gain, we have got 93. CP we have got 620 into 100. When you solve this, you will get 15%. So what gain percent we have got? That is 15%. Same way here, question number 1, number 4. CP, that means the cost price, is given as rupees 80. Selling price is given as 76 rupees and 80 paise. We can find out that SP is greater than CP. So we know that loss is CP minus SP. When you subtract 80 from 76.80, here we can subtract like this. We will get it rupees 3.20. So loss percent. When loss is there, we will find loss percent. Formula is loss by CP into 100. In place of loss, you can write 3.20. CP, just now we have got it 80 into 100. After solving this, we will get our answer as 4%. Question number 2, number 1, we have to find SP. And as given in question, that cost price is given as rupees 1650, gain percent 4%. So SP is equals to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. In place of 100 I have written as 100. Gain percent we have got 4%. Divide by 100 into the CP, that is 1650. When you add these two, you will get it as 104. Divide by 100 into 1650. After solving this, we got it as rupees 1716. Same way, the cost price is given as 624. Loss percent we have got it 13 by 3%, which is equals to 40 by 3%. So we are knowing that formula for SP, when loss percent we have got, formula will be 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. 100 minus 40 by 3 divide by 100 into 645. When we take LCM of these three, we will get it as 3. 1 divided by 3 will get 3. That number we have to multiply by 100, which is equals to 300, minus the same 40. This 100 we are dividing here. When we multiply, we have to multiply as 1 by 100. into 645. When we subtract these two, we will get it 260 divided by 3 into 1 by 100 into 645. After solving this, we will get our answer as 559. Same way, question number 3, number 1. Selling price, we have got it as 1596. Gain percent, we got 12%. We have to find out cost price. That is 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. 100 plus 20 into 1596. When we solve this, we will get it as 100 by 112 into 1596. After solving this, you will get your answer as 1425. Question number 3, number 4. Selling price is given as 34 rupees 40 paise. Gain, we have got it 7 by 2%, which is equals to 15 by 2%. Formula for CP, when we have got SP and gain percent, we know that formula for CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Same way we can write here, in place of gain percent 15 by 2, we are knowing that we have to take LCM. 1 divided by 2 is twice 2, that multiply by 100 we will get it as 200 plus 15, that is equals to 215. Solve this, you will get your answer as rupees 32.